Okay, let's get this last edge cut. Okay, see how this overlaps a little bit inside? We're going to pull that out with the wet brush a little bit. Make that line a little bit different. There we go. Okay, here's our next one. Clean tip. Squeeze. Set the drop. Bring it up to it. There we go. Once you get it set, then it takes off. Okay, now I can see where this one's a little tight. So we're going to touch this in. Pull this down just a touch. I want them all to line up. It's for depth, it's not for perfection. See, we've got some gaps here. Smooth off our point. Learning. So all this, if you're perfect at it, then you won't see any of these brush strokes things that are going on here. But we're learning. This is a learning curve. Perfection later on. And you think, oh, I got to fix that. And then you do something else to it. So it's like, all right, we'll just leave it. So let's switch to our tip 2, because we're just doing 3 layers. Okay, we'll swing it back around. So it was 4, 3, and here's 2. See, it's how it's all touching. You don't see any gaps. Smooth off that point. Okay, here goes our next one. See how I'm pressure? Let the drop do it all by itself. Set it. Okay, that one I'm going to let go and set this one because we got some gaps. Get that in there. This top one needs to be perfect because it's the last one you're going to see. So the last pipe should say really good. Okay, here we go. Try and breathe while you're doing this. Talking helps, because otherwise you hold your breath. Turn and check. We got it, just a smidgen. See how you see the 3 distinct layers? When you're consistent, which I know I need a lot more practice, so I'm not perfect at this. It's really tough, but it's a challenge that you want to do this. Okay? They should be side by side. But it's gorgeous on a cake. Absolutely gorgeous on a cake. Okay? Or just a little loop. Let's watch and see if it stays put. Now we'll put a red berry on top. No points. Makes points go away with a damp brush. Okay, so there you have your string work. And we would do this all the way around the tier so it looks like our additional one. So we're going to go change our position so we can show you some new gum paste flowers that you haven't seen before. We'll be right back.